If you are facing foreclosure, you may have already reached out to your bank to start the process of a loan modification. A loan modification may be a solution to help you stay in your home. Loan modifications are designed to help borrowers who are struggling to make their mortgage payments by modifying the terms of their loan, such as the interest rate or the length of the loan. However, loan modifications don't always work, and some of the reasons for this include lack of affordability. Even with a loan modification, some borrowers may still not be able to afford their monthly payments. If their financial situation hasn't improved or they still have too much debt, they may still default on their loan. Inadequate terms. The terms of the loan modification may not be favorable enough for the borrower. For example, the interest rate may not be low enough or the length of the loan may not be extended enough to make a significant difference in the monthly payment. Non-cooperation of the borrower. Sometimes borrowers may not provide the required documentation or respond to requests from the lender. This can delay the loan modification process or even lead to the modification being denied. Lack of communication. Poor communication between the lender and borrower can also lead to loan modifications not working. If the borrower is not kept informed of the status of their modification request, or if the lender doesn't respond to their questions or concerns, it can cause frustration and mistrust. Economic conditions. Economic conditions can also impact the success of loan modifications. If the economy is in a downturn, it can make it difficult for borrowers to find employment or increase their income, making it harder to afford their mortgage payments even with a loan modification. Second liens or other debts. If a borrower has additional liens or debts on their property, a loan modification may not be enough to address their financial struggles. In such cases, a more comprehensive approach may be necessary. It's important for borrowers to understand that loan modifications are not a guaranteed solution and may not work for everyone. It's always best to consult with a financial professional or housing counselor before pursuing a loan modification to explore all available options. If your loan modification was denied and you are headed to foreclosure, call the short sale strategist Gloria Simmons for a confidential strategy session at 770-76-55199. Don't delay. Let's discuss your very important next steps.